Best deals. In this video, let's review Kitchen Electrek Cookware Set. Electric skillets consistently keep the temperature you set. Not only are they great for pan frying and sautéing, that consistent heat is ideal for deep frying donuts, chicken, potatoes and fish in the skillet. Electric cookers also tend to heat consistently, and are less prone to hot spots like some gas cookers. Being a set temperature, and not relying on the visual aid of a flame, it's also easier to maintain lower temperatures with an electric cooker. Electric hobs are also easier to clean. All the product links are given in the description. 1. Egg boiler. It comes with stainless steel body and flat heating plate which helps in boiling up to 8 eggs at a time within minutes. The power will be turned off once the water in the egg boiler is dry boiled. Comes with 4 food-grade poaching trays for steaming different foods like poached eggs, dhokha, corn, idli. Boil up to 8 eggs get boiled at one go in this egg boiler, made especially for your convenience. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Electric cooker. Titanium is known for its strength, making the pot resistant to scratches and wear over time. Titanium coating provides a smooth, non-stick surface, reducing the need for excessive oil. Food doesn't stick, making cleaning effortless with just a wipe or light rinse. Food-grade double-layered body with non-stick titanium-coated inner pot and plastic outer body. Enjoy delicious meals wherever you go. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Soup maker. Heats, boils, blends and mixes automatically to give you a perfect, tasty and healthy soup within 20 minutes. Select the function of your choice, make chunky or smooth soups, blend beverages and drinks. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Yogurt maker. Can improve your gut and overall health if made right. The ferments milk at the right temperature so you get more long-lasting probiotics in every batch you make. With its fully automatic feature, our yogurt maker for home just needs you to plug it in to start making yogurt or natto and rice wine. Other great sources of probiotics. Machine will let you make enough healthy and nutritious yogurt to share with your loved ones. Combining a PTC heating system, ensuring uniform heating, with a dual sealing, the machine can efficiently produce up to 3 liters of fresh, probiotic-rich yogurt every 24 hours. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Toaster. Toast 2 slices at the same time, so you can enjoy your breakfast faster without the wait. With automatic pop-up, your toast is perfectly done and pops up when ready, no need to keep a watch. The Cool Touch body ensures you can handle your toaster safely without any burn worries. Enjoy smooth toasting every time. The anti-jam feature ensures your bread won't get stuck. After use, unplug the toaster and wrap the cord neatly in the base for easy storage. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Roti maker. Can not only be used to make roti but also can be used to make paranthas, dosa, omelette, chilla, khakras. The cooking plate of the multi-maker is manufactured using the finest and smoothest non-stick material. So you do not need to worry about the rusting. The body of this multi-roti maker is made with a high-quality stainless steel. It also prevents the multi-maker from any external damage or erosion. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Dosa maker. Cleaning is the hardest task and time-consuming after you prepare food. Also, cleaning has become hassle-free and effortless, has easy-to-use touch controls that allow you to make the dosas the way you prefer. With its precise thickness and cooking time control, the dosas are perfect every time and exactly how you want them to be. A wide range of dosas like carrot, pudina, beetroot, cheese and even chocolate dosas are now easy with the smart kitchen gadgets. Make dosas anytime and anywhere with zero effort, and surprisingly you do not require an actual kitchen to cook dosas now. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Dosa maker. Prepare a variety of dosa, chilla, pancakes, crepes, parantha, uttapam, omelettes and many more dishes with this Glen dosa maker, having cooking area of 30 cm, adjustable temperature control to choose different levels of heat settings as per the requirement. Prepare fresh and hygienic dosas, chilla, paratha, omelette and many more dishes. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Tandoor Grill. Comes with toughened glass windows, made with high-quality iron sheet, fitted with high-quality element. Elegant look comes with one knob used for heat controlling, which use for heat control according to your needed. You can use this knob and enjoy your delicious food with tandoori flavor. Idea for paneer tikka, pizza, tandoori naan, lachha paratha, baking, grilling, tandoori chicken, aloo tikka, seekh kebab, mushroom tikka, papad, sandwich and many more tandoori dishes you can. It's strong and durable, offers longevity and durability without any hassle. Don't wait any longer and just enjoy your ideal products today. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Deep Fryer. 2500W power for rapid heating and variable temperature control, 60 to 190 degrees Celsius for precise cooking. 6-liter stainless steel tank, ideal for commercial or heavy home use. Cool touch handle, non-stick inner basket, and overheat protection ensure safe and convenient operation. Removable and dishwasher safe parts, drainage system, and easy cleaning make post-cooking hassle-free. Features and power-packed performance. It has 2500W power rating. The capacity of this deep fryer is 6 liter. It has an immersed heating element. The thermostat enables setting different temperature for different frying needs. It is very compact and can be used for deep frying comfortably on your tabletop. It's easy to use and offers durability and longevity without any hassle. It's easy to maintain and clean. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Waffles Maker. Designed with busy moms in mind, this compact and easy to use waffle maker allows you to whip up delicious, homemade waffles in just minutes. Say goodbye to sugary cereals and toaster pastries and hello to nutritious and tasty waffles that will make breakfast time a breeze. You can experience non-stick cooking with this waffle maker gas. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Coffee Maker. 3-in-1 compatibility for ultimate convenience. Whether you love Nespresso pods, Dolce Gusto pods, or freshly ground coffee, this machine adapts to your preference, giving you a quick and hassle-free brewing experience every day. Perfect for moms who need variety without cluttering the kitchen. Instant hot water dispenser with temperature control, easily prepare tea, baby formula, or instant soups with precisely controlled hot water at 55 degrees Celsius, 75 degrees Celsius, or 100 degrees Celsius. No need to boil water separately, just select your temperature and get instant hot water while multitasking in the kitchen. 20 bar pressure with quick heating for rich creamer. Experience cafe quality coffee at home with a 20 bar high pressure pump that extracts maximum flavor and aroma. The 40-second quick heating means you can get a smooth, creamer-topped espresso without waiting, ideal for busy mornings. The one-touch self-cleaning function flushes out residue, keeping your coffee fresh and your machine hygienic with zero effort. The removable water tank and drip tray ensures easy refilling and thorough cleaning, making maintenance hassle-free. Moms can enjoy their coffee without extra chores. Product link is given in the 12th link.